Hello everyone. So today we are going to understand the difference between machine learning and deep learning in a simple and interesting way. These two terms are used a lot when we talk about artificial intelligence, but most people get confused between them. So let's break it down. First, machine learning or ML is a branch of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn from data and make decisions without being directly programmed. Instead of giving a computer step by step instructions, we give it examples and the computer learns patterns from those examples. For example, if we want a computer to identify whether an email is spam or not, we give it thousands of emails labeled as spam and non spam. The computer looks at features like words used, number of links, or unknown senders. From this data, it learns patterns and then predicts whether a new email is spam or not. Machine learning algorithms include decision tree, linear regression, logistic regression, and support vector machines. These algorithms work well when the data is not extremely large and the patterns are simpler. Now, let's move to deep learning. Deep learning is a special and more advanced part of machine learning. The biggest difference is that deep learning uses artificial neural networks. These are the systems designed to work like human brain. These networks have multiple layers which help the machine understand complex patterns. Deep learning is used in applications where accuracy, pattern recognition, and large amount of data are needed. For example, when your phone unlocks using face recognition, deep learning identifies your face. When YouTube, Netflix, or Spotify recommends videos or songs, deep learning models are making those predictions. Self driving cars are also used in deep learning to recognize traffic signs, pedestrians, or other vehicles. So, how are machine learning and deep learning different? Machine learning needs more human guidance. Humans tell the machine what features are important. Deep learning, on the other hand, automatically learns features on its own, even from images, audios, or videos. Another big difference is data requirement. Machine learning can work with smaller data sets, but deep learning needs a very large amount of data to learn properly. Also, deep learning requires more powerful hardware like GPUs because neural networks do heavy calculations. Here's a simple comparison to make it clear. Machine learning is like teaching a child by directly explaining the rules and giving examples. Deep learning is like teaching a child by letting them observe, experience, and learn patterns on their own. Machine learning is used in tasks like email filtering, price prediction, or simple chatbots. Deep learning is used in facial recognition, voice assistance, self driving cars, healthcare. So, to summarize, machine learning and deep learning are both part of artificial intelligence. Machine learning works well for simpler tasks with smaller data sets, while deep learning is powerful for complex tasks that require large amount of data and advanced pattern recognition. Deep learning is helping us move closer to human-like intelligence in machines. Thank you for listening. Keep learning and stay curious.